Hey guys, Junior with Keystone RV Center. Today we're talking about electric awnings that won't go back in, okay? Now this isn't a common problem, it's so little of a problem that we actually had to research on how to do this. So, what I'm going to tell you to start with is if this is not your awning, the Dometic, and the head doesn't look like this, skip this video, go to a different video. Now the owner's manual was very clear on everything that needs to be done, but if you're like me, you're jumping on YouTube trying to find some help. Maybe you left the owner's manuals at the house. So this is what's going to be on the forward side of the awning. Now it'll be sitting just like this. There's a little button right here. Now I did have to press this, work it out a little bit, okay, and put it back on a couple of times to get these two pieces here to pop. And they were right in there. And I thought I was going to have to get some kind of right angle tool to get in there. And I just pushed it together, pulled it out, pushed together, pulled it out a couple of times. Now, the next set of tools you're going to need is a 3/8 drive of some sort. Now, the first thing I wanted to try it with was a socket wrench. And we're going to show you the socket wrench. It works, but you're going to really want a cordless drill. It goes back to, if you watch our tool bag video, we recommend a cordless drill. What you do not want to use on this is a cordless impact. But let's go up on the roof. Mark's going to be on the ladder. I'm going to be on the roof, and we're going to be showing you how this stuff works. Alright guys, so I'm up here on the roof. We are really getting our money out of the microlight we pulled in the bay today. So this, once you pull that black plastic cover off, you've got this black cap. Now there is on this one it's a green washer. Yours might be a different color, I don't know. Inside of there, make sure you don't lose that. So set that somewhere safe. I'm just going to throw that in my 511 pants with the awesome zipper pockets. Alright, so we have the cordless drill with a 3/8 socket that's going to go on top of here. Now I've got it set to low speed, and I'm barely pulling on the trigger. And you can see we're bringing that awning in, and you can see how fast that's spinning and how little that's coming in. So that's why I said if you have a socket wrench, and this is all you got, it'll do it, but it's going to be a minute. It doesn't take a lot to turn this, so you can actually you got a 3/8 drive, so you could do it, but bring it all in. Now, Rob loaned me this DeWalt, and I'm more of a Milwaukee fan, personally, but Hillbilly, he loves his DeWalt products. I think he just likes the colors. Alright, and we're just going to inch it in here at the end, and that awning stopped moving, so we're going to call that good. That's how you would bring it back in manually. Obviously, you want to check the obvious stuff first, fuses, make sure it's even got power, stuff like that, before going to this extreme. But if for some reason this thing takes crap on you, and you need to bring it back in, there's how you do it, guys. Comment down below with any questions you might have. We comment back to all the comments, even if it's just like, hey, I want to throw you a free Black Rifle Coffee sponsorship. We'll comment back to that and go, yes, please. All right, I'm going to return these tools to Rob. Guys, have a great day.